This is my quest to follow that star, no matter how hopeless, no matter how far.
Here's how to play the Tom Jones version of Impossible Dream. There's 5 parts to learn, but if you get them, you can play the whole song. The first part sounds like this. Alright, 4 chords to learn. C major, keep your right hand thumb on the bottom note there. Second finger, and then fourth finger. 2, just moving the right hand, thumb, middle finger, pinky, to a D over C. Then move both hands, thumb, middle finger, pinky again on the right hand, and back to that C that we started with. One thing you can do is break up the chord, so I go left, right, 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 back, down. So I'm going 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3. Next chord. This is a great way to start the song. The next part is for the verse. C major chord again, 1, 2, 4 for the fingers. Then just move one finger in the right hand to make it a C major 7. Then we go to this F major 7, and then just move that top note to make it an F6. And we do that twice. F major 7, down to an F6. Then we're going to move to an E minor 7, then come back to our F major 7. 2 more chords, D minor 7, and then finally G7. Now just like the intro, you can break that up as well. I like to break up the first verse like this, and then the second verse and third we can 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, like that. Now, Tom Jones is not the only one that sung The Impossible Dream. There are some other artists, so if you have another favorite version of this song, let me know in the comments below. For the third part, we're going to move into that big, wonderful chorus, starting with the C major chord again, then just moving one note in the right hand to an A minor chord, then jump all the fingers down to an E minor 7, 1, second finger, third finger, then back to an F6 that we've learnt in the last section, back to that A minor chord, and just moving those A notes to a G sharp, then down again to a C over G. Then we're going to just jump on the C major chord for a moment before we go to this B flat chord, and that's going to lead into the bridge. D minor 7 chord, back to that B flat chord we played at the end of the chorus, and then this glorious quest chord, it's an E major, back to an F major 7 which we learned in the second part. Here's an interesting B flat 9 chord. Take note of that black note there. Add some spice to the sound. Then we've got D minor 7 flat 5. But this is building towards the G7, which will take us back to the last verse. The very last part is for the outro, and there's only 3 chords to play. We've got the C major. We're going to pretend it's the very end of the song. Then we play a G minor 7 and finally finish on a big C major 7. That's that whole part. So that's how to play all of the parts. For now, let me show you how those parts all fit together to make the song of Impossible Dream.
To dream the impossible dream, to fight the unbeatable foe, to bear with unbearable sorrow, to run where the brave dare not go. This is my quest to follow that star, no matter how hopeless, far to fight for the right without question or pause, to be willing to march into hell for a heavenly cause. And I know if I'll only be true to this glorious quest, that my heart will lie peaceful and calm when I'm laid to my rest. And the world will be better for this, that one man, scorned and covered with scars, still strove with his last ounce of courage